We now turn attention to Kampala, where a High Court judge has ordered city authorities to remove British colonial monuments and immediately rename all streets that were named after colonial officers that the judge termed crooks and historical figureheads. In a ruling issued last week, Justice Musa Ssekana directed Kampala Capital City Authorities to remove all the names of British figures from the streets, monuments and other landmarks, and replace them with local personalities that reflect the history and struggles of the East African country. The crooks and historical heads that Justice Musa pointed out in his ruling majorly include Captain Lugard, Major General Henry Edward Colville, and many others who are documented to have had a cruel military history against Ugandans. Our reporter was in Kampala and compiled this story.
The landmark ruling was a result of a 5-year petition that was started in 2020, with a group of activists led by activist John Ssembebwa collecting 5,800 signatures that were submitted to the Parliament of Uganda, petitioning legislators to decolonize and rename dozens of statues and streets honoring colonialists. Last year, John went ahead to file a lawsuit in Kampala, claiming that roads and parks named by the British during colonial times violated Ugandans' rights to dignity and freedom from cruel treatment. The ruling was generally received with mixed reactions, with Apollo Makubuya, a lawyer and leading campaigner, saying, "The ruling represented a significant step forward in the recognition of human dignity and the fight against colonial injustices," noting that it was very essential for Uganda to break free from the legacy of colonial exploitation, oppression, and impunity by embracing names that truly reflect Uganda's independence and cultural identity. Kampala's Lord Mayor, Erias Lukwago, said he was disappointed that the judge did not give a detailed judgment that addressed historical injustices and detailed those who opposed the British rulers, but added that it was long overdue for authorities in Uganda to decolonize the streets. A renowned human rights lawyer, Nicholas Opio, however, thought the statues and the road names needed to be left intact to remind generations to come of what happened in the past. But many Ugandans seem to say, enough of British, and are eager to break free not only from memories but also neocolonialism. In 2022, a city clock named and dedicated to Queen Elizabeth was destroyed to pave way for the Kampala City Flyover project, only to be replaced by a small one.
Thanks for that report. Please remember to follow us and subscribe for more stories like this.